Welcome to Englishwithtanveer English Stories. Today, you'll learn English naturally through a powerful life lesson about courage, choices, and second chances. Listen carefully, read the subtitles, and repeat after me when needed. Let the story guide your English and your mindset. Now, let's begin. The girl who rebuilt her life. The night was quiet, except for the soft tapping of rain against Maya's window. She sat there, watching the drops roll down the glass like tiny rivers. She felt a strange heaviness in her chest, as if the rain outside had found a home inside her heart. That day had taken away something she'd waited so long for, and now she wasn't sure how to breathe without the weight pressing down on her. She replayed the moment in her mind. The phone rang, she picked it up with hope. Then the voice said, "We're sorry. You weren't selected." Those words echoed through her like a quiet storm. She had been so close that she could almost feel the life she dreamed of. And now it felt like that life had slipped between her fingers. After the call, she didn't move. She didn't cry. She didn't scream. She just sat in silence, staring at nothing. Time felt like it stopped. Her room felt smaller. The air felt heavier. She wondered if she had been foolish to believe in herself at all. But deep inside, beneath the sadness and the doubt, there was a whisper, so soft, she almost didn't hear it. Try again. It wasn't loud, but it was steady. And for the first time in hours, she took a slow breath. The next morning, the world looked the same, but Maya felt different. She woke up before the sun, stretched her tired arms, and tied her shoes. The air outside was cold, but refreshing, like the world telling her she still had a chance. She began to run, at first slowly, then faster. With each step, she felt pieces of her sadness fall behind her. She didn't know where she was heading, but she knew she couldn't stay where she was. When she returned home, her apartment felt cluttered, just like her mind. So she began cleaning. She picked up clothes, wiped dust, folded blankets. Little by little, her space became clear. And with every small action, the fog inside her lifted too. She found an empty notebook and opened it. The first page was blank, just like her life at that moment. She wrote 3 simple words. Start again today. And she meant them. That night she studied, not to impress anyone, not to prove anything. She studied because she wanted to grow. She wanted to be better than the version of herself that gave up so easily. Some nights were difficult. Her eyes burned, her back hurt. She wanted to close the notebook and sleep. But the whisper inside returned every time. Keep going. Week after week, she didn't notice the changes. But then one day, she woke up and realized she didn't feel the same heaviness anymore. She was breathing easier. She was thinking clearer. Healing doesn't happen suddenly, it happens quietly. She went for a long walk in a nearby park. The wind gently played with her hair. Children laughed in the distance. Birds sang softly. And for the first time in a long time, she felt connected to the world around her. She sat in her favorite cafe, sipping warm coffee. The warmth filled her hands and her heart. She watched people passing by and wondered how many of them were also carrying silent battles. A stranger sitting nearby accidentally dropped their notebook. Maya picked it up and handed it back with a smile. The stranger thanked her warmly. It was a small moment, but it made her feel human again. As she walked home, the sky began turning orange and pink. She felt a soft glow inside her chest. She wasn't where she wanted to be yet, but she wasn't where she used to be either. Later that night, her phone buzzed. She lazily picked it up, expecting another random notification. Instead, she saw it. "Congratulations! You have been selected." Maya froze. Her eyes widened. Her heart raced. She covered her mouth with her hands as tears slowly filled her eyes, but this time they weren't tears of sadness. They were tears of validation, relief, and pride. She had tried again, and she'd won. She didn't scream. She didn't jump around. She simply sat down, breathed in deeply, and smiled the softest smile she had smiled in months. That night, she looked in the mirror. She saw a girl who had been broken but rebuilt herself piece by piece, a girl who didn't give up when life pushed her down. She realized something important. The world didn't change. She changed, and that made all the difference. She whispered to herself, "I'm proud of you." Words she wished someone else had said, but now said them to herself instead. The next day, she stepped outside with confidence. The world felt brighter, not because it changed, but because she did. Her heart wasn't as fragile anymore. She had learned to carry herself, to trust herself, to rebuild herself. Life didn't suddenly become easy. She still faced challenges. She still had fears. But now she believes she could face them. Maya learned one powerful truth. You don't heal by escaping life. You heal by walking through it slowly with courage. And step by step, you rebuild yourself. Thank you for watching this English learning story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share, and subscribe to Englishwithtanveer. Tell me in the comments, what did you learn today? Your journey to better English starts with stories, and I'll see you in the next lesson.